Good evening to all. So finally we get good afternoon to all. Finally, we came to the final stage of this AACT ATAL FTP. So without validatory function, no program will be concluded. So now I request our HOD, Dr. Radha Gupta ma'am, to take this validatory session. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Netra. Good afternoon, all the participants. As all good things come to an end, it is our duty to shower gratitude wholeheartedly to the people who made this event possible. This 5-day Atal-sponsored FTP on computational mathematics and artificial intelligence for engineers has come to an end, but I am sure you all will have a new beginning in the days to come for your career. I'm sure there were some distinguished key learnings for all of you from this FTP, which will help you grow in your career. Before I conclude the session, I request some of the participants to share their experience about this FTP. Anyone who would like to share their experience is most welcome. Can we have someone at least speaking about the FTP? Okay, so yes, Ravinder Singh Kuntal. Yes, Dr. Ravinder.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, that workshop was really good, ma'am. I have learned many things about artificial neural networks, which I was not known earlier. And I hope I'll do something for my research in future about that. So it was a very good experience, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ravinder. Any other inputs and suggestions from anybody else? Okay, then I will continue with my Thanksgiving note. So I take this opportunity to thank each one of the elected resource persons for their time and contribution to make this FDP a grand success. Firstly, my sincere gratitude goes to Dr. M. Mathirajan, Chief Research Scientist, Department of Management Studies, IISc Bangalore, who gave a very good insight to the heuristics and its applications to transportation problems. I also extend my thanks to Dr. M.P. Ramachandran, retired as scientist or engineer G, Group Director of Flight Dynamics Group, ISRO Satellite Center, Bangalore, who gave an excellent application of numerical differentiation of noisy data. I also thank Dr. Arun Rajagopalan, Vice President, EY Bangalore. He enlightened the participants of various backgrounds to mathematics in data science and machine learning, artificial intelligence. Dr. Jagdish Chand Bansal, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics and Computer Science, South Asian University, New Delhi, has introduced the audience to concepts and insights of nature-inspired algorithms with a specific application to drone swarm. Thank you, Dr. Jagdish. My thanks also goes to Dr. Neeta H. Shah, Professor and Head, Department of Mathematics, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, who shared her knowledge on solution of ODE and PDE using neural networks. Indeed, a very good topic. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Surjit Devnath, Head, Department of Medical Laboratory Technology, Tripura, who introduced two interesting applications of artificial intelligence in biomedical research. One was on vaccine development against the pandemic, the other one on cancer diagnostics and therapeutics. Dr. N.S. Srikanth, Associate Professor, Department of Information Technology, Kannur University, Kerala, also delivered an excited talk on artificial intelligence equal to applied mathematics. Thanks a lot, sir, for your wonderful talk. Ms. Ankita Gupta, a research associate from University of Massachusetts, Amherst, USA, motivated the participants to understand the challenges faced in artificial intelligence for social applications and also its use for social good. Thanks a lot, Ms. Ankita. Mr. P.G. Bhatt, visiting faculty at Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, PES University, NID and Kautilya School for Public Policy, Hyderabad Geetam University, and also the president of PK Solution, gave an exclusive talk on how data analytics can be used by the faculty in classrooms and beyond. Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating talk. Mr. Yogesh Shirsagar and Mr. Ashish, the yoga instructors from Nirmala Devi Sahaj Yoga Trust, New Delhi, concluded the session beautifully with meditation and stress management. Thanks to you, sir. My sincere thanks goes to Dr. N.K. Geeta, Associate Professor from Mathematics Department, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, who worked day and night for the success of these two back-to-back faculty development programs. I convey my heartfelt thanks to AICTE for giving me an opportunity to conduct this FDP. I also thank the management, Dayanand Sagar Institution, the principal, Dr. CPS Prakash from Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, Bengaluru, the coordinators from my department, all the faculty members, and all the participants from various parts of India for their timely support and enthusiasm. Last but not the least, I thank the facility team who made sure that the program goes with least interruptions and hassles. Thanks one and all. Over to you, Netra.
Thank you, one and all. So now, once we've finished the attendance and marks in the Atal portal, we will intimate in the group. You guys can give the feedback in the Atal portal. Then you will receive a certificate. After giving one feedback, one day it will take to download your certificate. Thank you all for.
I think I also would like to call Dr. N.K. Geeta to give any concluding remarks if they are there.
Yes,
Dr. Geeta? Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I, Dr. N.K. Geeta, one of the coordinator of this FTP. I'm so grateful for this opportunity to thank you all. I would like to thank AICTE Training and Learning Academy and our management, Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, and our beloved principal, Dr. CPS Prakash sir, our HOD, Dr. Radha Gupta madam, organizing committee members, Department of Mathematics for their continuous support and involvement for their this entire FDP, and my hearty thanks to participants for your active participation. And I would like to thank our computer operator and lab assistant for their strong support for smooth conduction of this FTP. Thank you once again. And Ms. Netra, you can conclude the session.
Okay. So thank you all for your participation. So now you can leave the meeting. So feedback, once we done the attendance and test marks in the Atal portal, we will intimate in the WhatsApp group. Then you can give your feedback in the Atal portal. There is an option as a feedback. You have to fill the feedback in the Atal portal. Thank you. Thank you, Anand.